Today we are about to learn two more prominent vowel sounds. One is short and the next one is long vowel sound. Both of these symbols looks like English alphabet U and sounds like non-native people pronounce it. But the problem lies on understanding the native people because they usually differentiate while they pronounce both of these sounds. Mainly, long U sound are pronounced on the spelling OOUE. For example, to, clue. Let's look at the articulation of these sounds. Mid-back of your tongue would move towards your soft palate. If you don't know what a soft palate is, you can look at the indication here. Let's have some examples so that you would be able to differentiate both of these sounds. Put, pull, foot, fool, could, cool. Thank you.